Okay, some people really needed a tutorial of it, so I'll give it a tutorial. Oh, whoops, no, not like this. We go to All Light Motion, if you don't have it. And, okay, this is an ad. You have to wait for the ad. Glory. Wait a minute, I can just skip. Okay, well, you guys really need a tutorial on how to tween. Or I can show you what people need a tutorial with. Here, if you go check here. Yeah, that was my first ever OC. And it's just deleted. It's quite sad. Yeah, no, I love it. Can you give me a tutorial how to do that? Yeah, I'll give a tutorial. So, you pick this one. I would pick light gray. I pick normally 48 FPS. Maybe 50. 50 FPS works. But I mean, like, it isn't that much, so. But yeah, great project. What the fuck? Send help? What the fuck? Skip. I didn't even notice you could skip. I'm full on thinking of how to say what the fuck it was. Yeah, I don't know how to block that, so sad. Very cool tween. Yeah, you just name it. And you go here, media. And that's when I do it. So why not start with an arm? So you name this arm left arm. Now you make a right arm. Right arm. Now you do the body. Now this is just this tutorial. Later I'll do more tutorials. Okay. Go here. Move and transfer. Now you click this button. Now you're on this thing. You pull it like there. Left arm, you have to put it there to where the end of the arm is. I can show you. Here, I can show you what I mean. See it? You have to add it at the end of the arm. Now the right arm, you do the same thing. The torso, you could just have it in the middle here. Now you add one of these key. And now you do oh well, yeah, you have to stop this. Add one key from here and one key. Do that. Now it goes up, down, up, down. Now you do the same thing here. You add keyframes. Now this is just going to be a tutorial for the arm. Look. Now you could add this. I just call it a scarf. Now you just add that right there. Now add the pivot point there. Now you do that. Now you want to go here. Now you want to click that button under the key. Then you want to click there. Try first. You have to test. Testing always works. Always test first. See that? I do the same thing on this keyframe. Try first. But you could go over here and like copy curve and paste it, you know? Try first. You just gotta speed through everything. Now you could test a video. Now see that? That's good. Next is the ears. Left ear. Now right ear. Yeah. After you've done that, you do this. And then you make it the head. Now for now we're gonna move it there. Now we're gonna add a pivot point. Now that we have the pivot point, you wanna make keyframes. See that? Now on the right ear you do that. Oh yeah, I forgot to add a keyframe. Wait a minute, like that. Keyframe. You do the same thing. See that? Now you do this, try first, try first. You want to test with it before you actually use it. But when you export the video, you wanna know what you can do? When you export the video, you can watch the ads. So you wanna make sure you test it before you actually like do the real stuff. Bam, 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 bam. Next is the legs. Right leg. Now you want to add the left leg. There we Now you do the exact same thing. You add a pivot. You add a pivot point because this is the left leg, it's there. Because this is the right leg, you add it there. Now over here you can just do that and then do that. But I mean, we have to add keyframes first. The right leg could just stay like that. Oh wait, I mean right leg. Now I can show you the coolness. Now you export that. Now you could, you could do this. You could watch ads when you want to export, or you could just record like I'm doing. Anyways, that's it, and I hope this was helpful. So, yeah, bye.